Hi there, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps, and we're going to have another play with our Yupo and our alcohol lift ink again. We can create some great backgrounds just by taking impressions off the Yupo paper or card. I'm going to start with butterscotch. So I'm just going to pop a little bit down. This is just a background really. And then I'm going to start adding, this is meadow. And we'll add some pink. And let's just start using our blending tool just to get that going and break that pattern up. I'm just lightly dabbing this. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit more colour. You're going to need such a small amount of the alcohol ink. It really does spread, goes a long way. But it gives you a fabulous sort of crackle effect. Okay, so I'm going to just stop there. I quite like those colours and how they've sort of worked together. So I'm going to use our alcohol lift ink, and again I'm just going to put a line of that at the top, and then I'm just going to take that down over the top of the image. Now this enables us then to take a print, so I'm going to pop that over the top. This is our multifarious matte card, so it's porous, and I'm going to smooth that over the top, and hopefully we'll get quite a nice impression of that. Wow, there we go. Again, another fabulous background, something ready to start stamping straight onto. Because it's porous, it's pretty much dry. I'll just give it a couple of minutes. And the good thing is, you know, Yupo, you don't need to sort of throw that away. You can just keep on using, keep on taking impressions of that. Throw some more alcohol ink on it. That's what's so fabulous about Yupo. Okay, so I'm going to leave those two cards to dry now, and we'll start stamping on that shortly. So I'm just going to pick some stamps now and stamp over the top and just show you really how quick and easy it is. So I've got my Lunar Buds here, so, and I think I'm going to ink up in Warm Breeze. So I'm going to keep this sort of more pastel colours, I think. Let's try it anyway. And then I'm taking some word stamps. I just want these very much in the background. So I think I'll use the Purple Delight. Stamp off. And then just very faintly in the background there. Okay, so I'm going to use our little dotted pound stamp here, and then I'm going to ink up in our Versamark. So just pop that down and up the page. And then I'm going to use the word dream. Ink that up. I'm going to pop that down in the corner there. And now I'm going to use the Mica powders. This is the copper, and I'm going to brush those over the areas where I've used the Versamark, and it will just give us a really nice effect. And then over the word dream. And then I'm just going to brush that off. I'm going to go back to our Warm Breeze, and I'm just going to pick up a little of the colour, and I'm just going to blend the edge. Like so, and then let's put a little bit of glitter in the centre of our Lunar Buds. Give them a bit of sparkle. Shake that off, and then there's our card. Nice and simple, quite different for me. It's all in quite a lot of pastel colours, but I quite like that. It's something different, and you can just see the micas there, the word dream, and then the dots at the top here. But just a really nice, quick, easy card to make using those fabulous backgrounds. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. Thanks for watching.